If you walk into a farm and you can't see any large ditch or visible drainage system, don't be quick to conclude that there is no drainage. It is very possible that the farm is operating an underground drainage system. In our previous lesson, we referred to the underground drainage system as subsurface drainage. A subsurface drainage is the orderly removal of excess water from the land using tiles or moles or perforated pipes dug under the ground. It is also referred to as underground drainage. Subsurface drainage has a good number of advantages over the surface drainage system. It does not pose any threat to machines. High-value crops are grown. It leaves the field free from the surface obstruction and cost of maintenance is low, unlike the surface drainage. Drainage here is also faster and more efficient, and like we mentioned before, it leaves more land available for cultivation. However, subsurface drainage is expensive to operate. It is not easily constructed and requires a deep excavation of the soil. With this, we have come to the end of our lesson on irrigation and drainage. We hope you have enjoyed the lesson so far. See you in the next one.